Multiple members of the cast are already married. A drama that has recently become a hot topic is Twinkling Watermelon, gaining many viewers with its premise. Ryo Un stars as Ha Eun-gyal, the only hearing person in a family of deaf people who secretly is a guitarist in a band and ends up traveling back in time to meet his parents when they were younger. There is also romance in the story, not only between Eun-gyal's parents, and many viewers are likely curious about the actors' IRL romantic connections. Of the supporting cast that make up the Watermelon Sugar Band, Ahn Do-gyu, Yoon Jae-chan, Lee Ha-min, and Lee Soo-chan, none have had any public relationships, likely due to their younger ages. The same can be said for Ryo Un and his in-show love interest, young Se-kyung Eun-yu, played by Sol In-ah. Choi Yun-wook plays the younger version of Eun-gyal's father and was spotted earlier this year holding hands with a mysterious woman while smoking illegally. He apologized for the incident not long after but faced punishment for how he disposed of his cigarette. Several actors playing characters' older counterparts are in relationships or married. Choi Won-young, who plays the older version of Eun-gyal's father, is married to actress Shim Ye-young and has 2 children. Seo Young-hee plays Eun-gyal's mother and has been married to a non-celebrity since 2011. The couple have 2 children. Lee So-yeon, who plays the older version of Se-kyung, was married in 2015 to an IT professional, whom she separated from in 2018. The romance in the drama has raised some eyebrows, which you can read more about below.